Hey guys, it's Tiff. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I don't want to be a broken record, but yeah, sorry for the lengthy absence, but I have so many colors mixed up and I am so excited about the new This Little Piggy release. Today I'm going to be using 3 of the colors in this piece. So that first one was Gilded, the second one is Pumpkin Pie, and this is Chiffon. You guys, when I tell you this group of pigments is absolutely stunning, I mean, they're amazing. I mean, they're always amazing, but this group is like, I don't know, I feel like it's epic. This gold is the gold that I have been dreaming about. Um, and it said it earlier, but these pigments are going to be released on the 12th of December of this year. So you can get all of the new colors. But let's go right into it. I'm not going to dilly-dally. This first color in is Gilded. This gold reminds me of the Pebbio Rich Iridescent Gold, which is my absolute favorite gold. This is going to be a Mauve by Lucas, and we're pouring on an 18-inch round today. This is my Vallejo Pearl Medium and Artist Loft Soft Body Cloud Mix. Next, this is QNAG by Golden. Next, we have Chiffon. Oh, so pretty. So dreamy, that color. Then we're going to go in with Pumpkin Pie. Next up, I don't have too much left of this, but I'm going to put the Mauve in before I do my last layer of cloud mix. I think it's really important, you guys, to not put your pigments by your cloud layer because you're just not going to get those great three-dimensional effects. And we really want to let the pigments stand out on their own. So that's why I do that. Then I'm going to put in, yeah, that was the cloud mix. And then I'm going to put in the QNAG again and the rest of the Gilded. Why not? I think I'm scraping every bit of that out. I mean, the pumpkin pie is stunning. The chiffon is stunning. I mean, all 3 of these colors, I was like, they have to be in a pour together. So I end with the mauve. And you know, like I was saying, I have so many colors mixed up and so many pigments mixed up, but I'm like, you know what? Thanksgiving's coming. I haven't done like a rusty, warm, kind of orangey piece in a really long time. So I thought, let's do that. So here is my pour out in real time. Actually, watching this, I normally pour out a little slower. Oh, hold please, dog is barking. Sorry about that. She's growling at something outside, which I'm sure any minute she's going to start up again. But yeah, so as I always say, take your time on your pour out. Don't lock your knees, make sure to breathe, and don't be in such a rush. I think people are so quick to want to like just pour their cup out, and that's fine. But when you go slow, you kind of make sure you're not churning things up and adding more air bubbles to the mix. So that's why I pour out so slow, and I feel like I have a little more control. So I'm going to let you guys watch me pour this out. I kind of do the twists, and then I'm kind of, turning the canvas also. And then right at the end here, I'm going to do a tight little ring pour right as that kind of gilded is coming out. But yeah, I will be back. I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of this. There's going to be some tilting and spinning, getting this kind of back in the center. So this video isn't too long, but I will be back in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back. I feel like this video is slightly boring. Just because, it was really about getting the paint back to the middle after I poured it out since I pulled to one side. So I loved, the composition with the twist. So it was really just like spreading this out. So getting the paint back to the center. And now I'm positioning it on my spinner in a way that will pull that area off that's kind of hanging off the spinner, right? If that makes sense. I don't know how to say that better. I need to work on that. But that's really what I wanted to do because there was still a good amount of paint on this MDF round board, which is what this is. But I'm really, really liking the colors in this. The clouding is really different. There's a lot of movement going on. It almost reminds me of a snail. Do you guys see the snail right now? But yeah, it's pretty much done. So here is a close-up of this piece. Excuse me. So all this down here is the pumpkin and the chiffon and the gilded. And I'm so sorry that my camera on my phone kind of goes out of focus and then I kind of have to go back. But that area is so sparkly. I mean, I'm just like loving it. So then you have this swath of the mauve and then all this right here, this gorgeous QNAG. I mean, you either love QNAG or you hate it. It's the quinacridone nickel azo gold by Golden that was discontinued. But I just have a little backstock of it. So yeah, I got some really cool lacing through there. Got some great, there's the Gilded. And I know it kind of has it almost looks like it has a little gold sheen to, I'm sorry, green sheen to it. It does not. It is like vibrant, beautiful, molten gold. And I am so loving it. Here comes some clouds. I love that little area through there. There's the mauve area where some great, different depths of clouds pop up. Opacity, transparency, three-dimensional. That's my favorite. Anyway, guys, this piece is still drying, but when it's dry, I will give you a video of that. But thanks so much. Let me know what you think of this piece. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!